Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the BONADE Chrome Waterfall Basin taps for bathroom. It's a basin, a zinc mixer tap for your bathroom at home, for example. The material is made out of copper and stainless steel. Think alloy, and the surface is gilded. Valve type is ceramic valve. 35mm high quality ceramic cartridge, 50 million times worth. This ceramic cartridge, not what is here built in, but the type of it was tested before for waterproofing. That means high strength and a long lifetime for this zinc mixer. The Basin filter mixer had the waterfall function with water saving function on board. Low noise levels suitable for heating and hot water supply. It is highly flexible and twistable connection hoses with 400mm length and 3H nut for easy and secure installation. It is really quick attached. It's only push in position, rotate, tighten a little bit, job's done. It's so easy, really. The item weight about 1 kilogram. It's not so heavy. And this is not for low pressure. Capacitor locked up, safe and sound things. That means if you have a standard power supply, this is your sink here, no problem. It comes with a really awesome package, I think, because it is recycled. This I like very much, that brands today will use original packaging and recycle them. Really use. It has high quality. It adds beauty to our bathroom. We can enjoy an elegant and comfortable life. It's really quick and easy to assemble. Very easy to care for the water supply. Only thing you have to do is get the big mount into position, then dock the two water lines, get in there, rotate them, tighten them on the kitchen tap, not kitchen tap, bathroom tap, and then go to your bathroom and get it in position, lock it from the bottom side nearly with this counter nut, easily rotated in position, and then connect the water supply. Job's done. That it is. It's really easy. But I will make a special video about this, how to attach a bathroom thing here. It's really easy. You can look at my video later. The body material is it's made out of copper. It's good. The handle material is zinc alloy. The surface is chrome and it looks really chromatic. You will get a tap, 2 flexible connection hoses, 1 mounting material, then a warranty leaflet, and then you can start to attach it. It's really easy. Only get the 2 flexible connection hoses into position, then use the big cylinder to get this inside the kitchen, the bathroom tap. Then host it on your bathroom area, wherever you're going to attach it or assemble it. And after this, connect the 2 connection hoses to the water supply. That's really easy. The water pressure is from 0.1 up to 0.5 millipascal. The operation temperature rise from 0 degrees Celsius up to 90. It's no problem. Adjustable minimum flow rate is 1.8 GPM. These are 6.81 liters per minute. And this can be used with one control grip. If you rotate the grip right and left, you can choose hot or cold program. And if you lift up the lever, the waterfall will flow easily. So, and it is how it looks and how theoretic you can attach it. Look for my next video. This will be the installation video, the setup video from this BONADE Chrome waterfall. It's a button tabs for bathrooms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.